I'm Alfredo de Rosario. I've been acting for at least 10 years already. I've been to theater most of the time. But I did a foreign film which is Lakap Abroad for National Geographic Channel 3 times. And I did a TV series, Ipaglaban Ko, with Attorney Jopet season every Saturday.
Smile, smile. Smile.
It's your food.
Thank you.